hospitality, food processing, cold storages and cold chains, education. یہ کئی महत्वपूर्ण लोग बड़ी कंपनियों के सीईओज हमारे बीच हैं. अच्छी बातचीत हुई है. अब हम इसको आगे जल्दी से जल्दी अंजाम तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश करेंगे. मैं समझता हूं कि इससे ज्यादा आज कुछ बातचीत करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
नमस्ते Hindu. My name is Abdullah Al-Shaybani from United Arab Emirates, Dubai. I am a businessman. I have 27 different activity and companies in real estate, in development, in hospitality, in agriculture, lot of things. And the impression of me and my friends within this visit. First of all, I want to say that we saw very kind people. Kashmiri, Jammu, Kashmir people are very kind people. This is first of all. We feel that we are so safe between you, like a one family. Second thing, the beautiful scenes and beautiful land, or we can say it's a piece of paradise, which is you are owning this land, which is really it's great land and great piece of what you call Jannah in Arabic, but I want to say the paradise, yes. Okay. So, and regarding the investment, which is the main purpose of why we are visiting here, I think there is a big opportunity to invest. We are not here to waste the time.
Yes.
We came here for sure, for something. Something, it means that there is a step already we took it, and there is a step we are taking now, and there is a step which is we are going to take it in future very soon. And this is what I want to tell you, that I think my friends and the group who is visiting in this trip, in this summit, that believe me, it's beneficial for the both countries, either UAE or India, especially Jammu Kashmir.